Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I am doing a chocolate facial which is so yummy and also good for your skin. Chocolate has so many skin benefits. It is high in antioxidant, protects the skin from UV damage, provides nourishment, detoxifies the skin and promotes glow. For the facial, we are going to be using the Hersheys cocoa powder, which is natural and unsweetened. If you don't have cocoa powder at home, you can use the Hersheys chocolate syrup instead. I am transferring the cocoa powder to a bowl. This much is enough for the entire facial. For the first step, which is cleansing, I am taking a green tea bag, opening it and dropping into a glass. Pouring hot water into the glass to brew it for a few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I am taking the tea bag out. I am pouring the green tea in a bowl. I am adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mixing well. It looks like a yummy chocolatey drink and smells the same way. I wanted to drink this. It smells so yummy. I am taking some cotton, dipping it into the chocolate green tea, squeezing the excess and wiping it across my face. Cleansing removes dirt and makeup from the face and preps the skin for the facial. Green tea is a powerful antibacterial agent for treating acne and unclogging pores. It helps to kill bacterial inflammation for smoother toned skin. Green tea is full of vitamin B2 and vitamin E, both essential for the skin's health maintenance. B2 plays an essential role in maintaining collagen levels for youthful skin structure and firmness. It has anti-inflammatory properties because of its high content polyphenols. Green tea reduces irritation, redness and swelling. It is intensely hydrating that absorbs into your skin for reduced redness and soothes skin. The second step is the face scrub. For this, I am adding 2 teaspoons of grinded coffee powder. I am using Brew Instant Coffee Powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Adding 2 teaspoons of rose water to it. Scrub should be thick in consistency, so make sure that you don't add too much of rose water. Mix it well. Coffee and chocolate smell is very refreshing and awakening the soul. Apply it and massage in circular motions, concentrating on nose, chin and cheek areas where they are more prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Coffee helps to decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness and fine lines. Coffee has both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Combined with natural exfoliation of coffee grounds, it fights acne effectively. You know how coffee wakes you up in the morning? It does the same thing for your skin. When applied on the skin, its stimulating properties of coffee improve blood flow and making your skin appear radiant and bright. Scrubbing removes whiteheads and blackheads. Do not scrub on the areas where you have active pimple. If your face is fully prone to acne, then skip this step. After scrubbing for 2 to 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. The third step is the massage. For this, I am taking 2 teaspoons of curd. I am adding 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. mixing it together to make a smooth paste. Now this one looks like a mousse. Smells heavenly. It feels like a chocolate mousse. I'm applying it onto my face and massaging it. Massage helps in blood circulation, which makes the skin look healthy. Massage effectively helps to reduce tension in the skin as well as the adjoining tissues. The massaging of the skin creates friction that eliminates the top layer of dead skin cells, which will make the skin to appear brighter and healthy. Massages can be done in many ways. I am using the simplest technique for self massages to make myself comfortable. After a massage, the skin appears smoother and feels firmer. After massaging, wash your face with normal water. The final step is the face mask. For that, I am adding 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Squeezing 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I squeeze 1 vitamin E capsule into it. Mixing well. I am applying it onto my face. Aloe vera gel features cooling properties that can be soothing for the skin that has been exposed to the sun. Aloe vera gel absorbs easily, making it ideal for oily skin. However, it can also help to treat dry skin. Aloe naturally contains vitamin C, beta carotene, and vitamin E, which makes the skin firm and hydrates it. It also removes suntan and brightens the skin. Vitamin E restores and rejuvenates dehydrated skin. After applying the face mask, wait for 20 minutes to dry. When it is completely dry, wash your face with water. My skin feels soft, smooth, and hydrated. It made my skin clean and clear. Chocolate facial has removed my tan also. It also cleared my whiteheads and blackheads. You can do this facial once in 2 weeks. With this, I finished my facial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.